Hello everyone, today I would like to show you my another project. Last time I'm using .NET Razor and MVC. This time I'm using Angular and .NET Core 6 Web API. I also using the JWT for the authentication, MSC code. I'm also using number of testing tools. Unit test is Kara and Jasmine, API test by Postman, end-to-end test by Cypress. I also built a bash script to streamline the process of build and deployment for Angular and .NET project. I will show you all of them in this video. Let's get started. This is a login page. First, I would like to go through the key functionality of this accounting system. When the page loads up, it will make a connection test with the server to make sure the web API in server are ready. Let's log into the system. Because I'm using JWT as authentication method, so server will generate a token for my coming API call. You can see here. Now move on to voucher screen. Similar to last version, user can input different criteria to find out the data. This screen also supports paging. User can click the edit button, open the detail. Now the detail is under a window. It's gettable. You can see all the data come from API call. For example, this one. You will have the datetime and the result and also the detail of data listed here. I'm using RESTful approach to define the API. For each component, it will contain get, post, put, and delete. You can see. I'm using Angular for the front end and .NET Core for the back end. In the Angular, there are a number of business components here and also a back-end service for all the API call process. I also have a spec file for the unit test. I'm using the Kara and the Jasmine for the unit test. In this example, you can see number of tests for the back-end service, for the business component, and also the main component. For the .NET API, I'm using the Postman. For each API call, I have defined a number of test cases here. Some is negative case, some is positive case, and all the API can run through in the Postman. I make a one for you. Let's start. So 99 test case pass and 0 fail. For the end-to-end test, I'm using the Cypress. First, I prepared a testing script file by JavaScript. It covers the account maintenance screen flow and also the voucher input screen flow. Let's see how it works. Kickstart. It will do the end-to-end test follow my testing script, which covers some testing case, for example, add a new record, update new record, some positive scenario, negative scenario, to make sure the key functionality are running properly and get the correct result. Done. You can see all the testing case were passed. You can see the screen one by one for the end-to-end test. I also work out some of the batch files to automate the build and distribution process. In the script, you can define the destination as folder, IS, or ASU. First, make the Angular build. Second, copy the published file to the .NET project. Last, make the .NET build and publish to destination. Let's have a run. Once completed successfully, it will open a browser of a destination URL. For each step, it also has a log file for the detail. For example, this is the MS build. Now I will make an error in Angular project. See what will be happened. Run again. The Angular build was failed because of this error, and also the following step will be stopped. Let's fix this and update the version number. Run again. This time is no problem, and you can see the version number is updated and also deployed to IIS. All the source of this project were uploaded to GitHub for version control, say the Angular front end, the bash script, and also the backend API. I also deployed the software to ASU. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.